Oh, yeah. Let me get into these homemade Pop Tarts I made the other day. Oh, so good, so flaky. Okay, I started off by making my own pie crust. You do not have to do this. I wish I didn't have to do this. I just forgot to get one from the store. But definitely just buy a pie crust. But I will put this recipe in the description just in case, y'all. Now the key to that perfect pie crust is frozen butter, y'all. Get you a cheese grater and grate it up and use your hands. I mean, all that other shit might work well, but your hands is your best tool. That's why they gave them to you. Okay, go ahead and get your wet ingredients in there. Start forming that bad boy. Mix it up. Get it right. But it's some. Yeah. Once it get to looking like this right here, and you're gonna make two discs out of this. We're gonna wrap these bad boys in plastic wrap, and we're gonna put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes while we make everything else. Oh yeah, these gonna be good. Yeah, wrap them up real tight. Make sure ain't no air in there. If I could just find this goddamn plastic wrap, yeah. I just bought some. Oh, found it. Okay. Anyway, go ahead and wrap these things up and get them in the refrigerator, y'all. We finna start this homemade strawberry sauce. These brown sugar. Come on, man. I don't know about y'all, but I used to tear up some goddamn Pop Tarts back in the day. Oh, okay, yeah. While that pie crust chilling, right? We're gonna go ahead and make the filling. So I'm gonna start with the strawberry. Cup and a half of strawberries. Cut them up. Get them on in there. And get you 2/3 cup of sugar. Tablespoon and a half of lemon juice. Yeah, get you some zest up in there. Coming in with a little vanilla extract, y'all. Vanilla. Ooh, about like that. Half a teaspoon of cornstarch. And y'all, that's just to make it syrupy and thick and spread it on that Pop Tart. You'll mix it about 2, 3, 4 minutes, smash it up. Half a cup of brown sugar, y'all. I'm gonna clean as I go, okay? A tablespoon of cinnamon. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go check on this pie crust. Baby, that's been about 30 minutes, okay? Yeah, it's about right. Good texture, good consistency. It's gonna stiffen up a little bit in that refrigerator, get a little cold, but that's what you want. Go ahead and flatten that bad boy out, make some squares. Shit. These motherfuckers finna be good and flaky, y'all. Oh my god. That strawberry sauce coming out like this. Yes, make sure you poke you some holes in that dough so it can cook evenly, get that air through there. Man, these bad boys finna be good. And baby, you can't beat homemade. Yeah, finish them up with the little fork imprints on the sides and the bottom. Yeah, then you come through with that egg wash for that golden brown flaky crust. Then I started on that brown sugar, y'all. I thought I was gonna have to make some sort of cream to go in here, but I guess the butter from the crust and everything just gonna go together when it bakes. So, okay, get that in the oven. We're gonna work on this little ice, and we're gonna get some milk, powdered sugar, vanilla. Go ahead and stir that up to the right consistency, y'all. I'm gonna separate it though. I'm gonna save half for the strawberry and the other half for the brown sugar. Yeah, throw a little cinnamon in that one. Baby, I'm a sucker for a good pastry. I just hope this dough came out good. Shit. Oh, and did. Oh, look at them bad boys. Yeah, nice golden brown flaky crust. Let's go. Go ahead and get my little icing on here. This gonna be the brown sugar one. I don't know why this motherfucker's so big. Here go the strawberry. Go ahead and get that icing on there. And they came out looking like this right here. I need to go ahead and get my sprinkles on my strawberry one, y'all. So cute. Oh my god. Let that icing dry a little bit, and here they go. I'm finna taste this bad boy. Hold on. Hold the motherfucking phone, y'all. Yeah, too good. The strawberry filling all through there. Flaky crust. And that brown cinnamon was just as fire, y'all. So good. Y'all try this bad boy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, all that. You know the vibe? She in the kitchen. And she whipping.